you doing? I hope you're having an amazing day. Thank you so much for being here and watching. Today we're opening up the October Snail Mail Sticker Club. So that always comes in this big mailer envelope every month, bright yellow and fun. Every month you get at least 10 sheets of stickers. You get some affirmation cards, a postcard. It's just such an adorable subscription. It costs $12.50 in the United States. It's also available in Canada, and it also ships worldwide. So it's $12.50 in the US, and I think that comes out to be $15.95 Canadian. And then you can get it anywhere else in the world. You just have to pay $6 shipping. I do have a promo code for this, so I will leave their link and the promo code to save you 20% down below. But anyways, let's get this open and see what stickers we received this month. So there's a little note here that says, Happy October, I am open to miracles. Ooh, this is such a good one. Are you open to seeing the good around you and allowing magic to happen? Is it the magical month of Halloween after all? Will you share the second card with a friend? What are your favorite stickers this month? Here are ours. And then it shows the family that does Snail Mail Sticker Club holding up their favorite stickers. Super cute. And then let's see what this is right here. Oh. It says, Happy Sticker Mail. Thank you so much for joining the most fun family sticker club around. You rock. Here are some things you'll want to know. Sticker packs ship by the 6th day every month. We are Canadian, but sometimes we cross the border to send to the USA, so you get them quicker those months. As a member, you get 10% off all sticker sheets and a free gift with every order with code in the club. I totally have a cat hair eyelet. We have free goodies for you here. snailmailstickers.com/free, sticker scenes, coloring, and more. You can contact us anytime through Contact Us on the website or email happy@snailmailstickers.com. We'd love to hear from you. Mostly, thank you. We appreciate you so much. Many blessings, Alexis, Scott, Aprilla, Ember, and Jackson, and our mascot, Snickers the Snail. That's cute. This is the first time this has been in there. So like I said, it comes with some affirmation cards. So you have one that you can say for yourself and then one to give to a friend. And this month it seems like the theme is I am open to miracles. So we have 2 little affirmation cards here. Just something to remind you and always keep you thinking positive. So that's super cute. And then the postcard says fly free. So you could either like hang this up or you do have the option to send it as a postcard. Oh, and inside this little note here, 2 things fell out, I forgot. There's just some extra bonus stickers, I believe. So there's like a cute panda here. And then this one has all these little Canada hearts. Alright, now let's get to the pack of stickers. They're different every single month. I've never had any repeats and they're always so fun. So if you have like kids or you're a teacher or you're someone who like plans, like uses planners and decorates and stuff like that, you will love this. Seriously, they're always so cute. So the first one is lions, like one's a sleepy lion, one's like roaring. Super cute. And there's like some little holographic like glitter going on there. Ooh, the next one looks like it's pirates. And then we have a sheet that has some like cacti and some porcupines on it, so some like sharp things. That's funny that they're together. It makes sense though. And these ones are a little bit raised. Ooh, cool. I like these ones for October. Vanilla scratch and sniff too. These are colorful skulls. I'll have to scratch one and sniff it. Oh my god, it really does smell like vanilla. God, I'm such a child. I'm still fascinated by scratch and sniff stuff. But I really like this. This is really timely too. Oh, and the next sheet I'm about to show you is perfect for planners. Look at this. Like this looks like a sheet out of like an Erin Condren book. So you can like little tag things, leave little notes. But you can really use this anywhere, but this just screams planner to me. And I love the colors, really pretty. The next one is like little diamond, like shiny reflective hearts. Like shaped like a diamond and a heart, kind of. Do you know what I mean? Like that's really cool. Ooh, the next one is like for like tea time. There's like some kettles, cakes, little treats, some coffee, some milk. This is super cute. This would be good to put in your planner if you had like a coffee date or something like that, or a tea party or whatever you do wherever you are. Can you guys see this well? Super cute. Different sizes also, so that's convenient. Ooh, the next one. Aw, this one has a bunch of different animals. It's like, there's dogs and cats on it, and it's like neon colors, so here's the top of it. I'm holding this paper behind it, so hopefully you guys can see it better. See, like the cats. This is super cute. I love it. There's like a little dog house, some fish bones. Oh, I love the cats. Of course, I love the cat ones the best. Well, the next one's fruit. Okay, so it's like lemon, lime, and oranges on it. Super cute. I really like this one. These are adorable. And you can actually like feel them. So they're like a little bit raised and a little reflective as well. These are really cute. I was actually just with my friend yesterday who has some orange groves. Maybe I'll like send them something with some of these stickers on it. That would be cute. Next up, we have like pirate animals. Like there's like a little pirate cat, bears. Like this is one I feel like a little boy or a little girl would get a kick out of. And grown-ups too, not age discriminating. Ooh, the next one's cool. It looks like you can actually color these in. These are Halloween themed. Again, perfect for October. There's like some ghosts and stuff. But you see what I mean? Like they're black and white, so I think you'd be able to color these. So that's like an extra fun activity. So cute. There's like some tombstones, a bat, some ghosts that look like they're trick-or-treating. So cute. Like, wouldn't this be so fun to open with like a little one? Oh my gosh, so cute. And it looks like we're on our last sheet, and this one is super cute. I love the colors on here. There's like, have some tropical animals, some leaves, some sloths. I've seen a sloth in the wild before, by the way. It didn't move at all. So cute. I love this. I love the colors for some reason. I love that like teal background with like the reds and greens and stuff. This is so cute. Can't wait. I just like can't wait because in my head I was thinking how I'm getting like a 2020 planner. Can you believe that that's not that far away? Like right now I just use like notepads and stuff. I'm getting like a legit planner and I can't wait to sticker the heck out of it. But anyways, let's just do like a quick fast recap. So we talked about the pricing and all that already, and again, I will list that down below. But we started off with the affirmation cards after we read that sweet note. This is, I am open to miracles. I love getting these things. I'm all about positive affirmations, positive vibes, because I feel like when I get like in a negative headspace, I just like spiral down. But once I start to think more positively, like things start to get better. It's true. If you're in a bad mood, you're like, oh God, stop that BS. But it's true, like for real. Just little things like this can change your day. So I am open to miracles, love that. And then fly free. Can you guys see that in the, there? And then let's see, how many sticker sheets do we got? So we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sorry, I'm kind of out loud. That's probably annoying to some people. So we had 12 sticker sheets, and then we also had those like little bonus stickers. And I think this is cute that one says like Canada stuff on it. I know I have some Canadian subscribers and sometimes they're bummed out because they can't get all the subscriptions I show on my channel, which is a bummer because like you're so close to us, you know? Like you should be able to get what we get. So I think this is cute. I actually have relatives in Canada. I've never visited though before. I would really love to make a trip to Canada. And this panda is so cute. So yeah, that is everything that is in the October Snail Mail Sticker Club. I think it's super cute. I love that they did include some things like for the month, you know, like this could go with the Halloween theme, and then we had, where'd that one go? Like this one especially. And some of the others kind of could be like costume ideas for kids and stuff, like pirates and stuff. And I love how they included a sheet that can be used for planners. Like, yeah, I love that. So yeah, I think this is such a cute subscription. Pretty affordable, $12.50, free shipping, and it's a fun little surprise that I think would be so fun to open with a little one if you had one in your life. But fun to open by yourself too, because I just had a blast. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing with me. I love you. Thank you so much for your time. I know everyone has a busy life, so just the fact that you're here with me in all my videos just really makes my day. I love you. Anyway, I will see you in my next video. Bye.